Hi guys, this is your Beshi Jlu. In today's video, we are going to do a size 0 drink. So all you need is cucumber. If it's small, have 2. If it's medium, have 1. And then half of the pineapple. And then, so this will make 2 servings. So 1 liter. Also, we will be needing a thumb size of the ginger. And a lemon. So we can use half of the lemon. So this is all that we are going to use to do the size 0 drink. Yan lang yung mga ingredients natin. And then all you need is a blender, of course. Put everything in and then just have 700 to 750 ml of water. So you're not going to strain anything on this one. All you need to do is to put everything, get a measuring cup, at least 700 to 750 ml. This will make 2 servings. So the drinking instruction on this one is you will be drinking this in with an empty stomach. Yan. 1 in the morning. And yeah, so here I'm putting the water already. And then before bed, the other serving. Yeah, just have to blend them all in. No need to strain. And so that's it. Very easy. All you need to do is to add calamansi or a lemon, stir it, and you're good to go. So all you need to do is drink one in an empty stomach in the morning and another one before going to bed. And yeah, so especially this quarantine period, we don't want to gain weight because of all the eating. When you're bored, you eat a lot. That's it mga beshi. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Keep safe. See you on the next one. Bye!